Hi besties, welcome to our space. On today's video we're making a delicious bitter leaf soup. Yes, ofe onubu. Yeah, are you ready for it? We'll sit down, let's do that together. So in this pot we have stockfish, dried fish, and the beef we'll be using for the soup. I kind of added the dried fish now because it's very hard, so I will allow it to continue steaming while I return to the cocoyam I'll be using as my soup thickener. So this is ofo. I added this ofo because the cocoyam will not be enough, so I had to mix with ofo and then pound together. So guys, before I started pounding the cocoyam, I cooked the cocoyam. Yeah, it is not raw cocoyam, it is well cooked. As you can see from the video, I removed the peel, cooked very well before pounding. So this is the bitter leaf we'll be using. So kind of boiling the bitter leaf because it's very bitter. So return back to our cocoyam and pound very well. We keep pounding until we get to the texture we want. So lovelies, it's time to introduce our cocoyam. So besties, it's time to add fresh pepper and crayfish. I blended the two together. Then after that I'll add palm oil, enough of palm oil. Then the next thing is, this is local bean, also known as ogiri. My dear, you need this for your bitter leaf soup. If you don't add this, the soup will never be complete. So you need this particular ingredient. This is the secret recipe of your bitter leaf soup. So if you're making bitter leaf soup and you don't have those particular ingredients, my dear, go get it, because that's the only thing that will skyrocket the taste of your soup. Yeah, I told you. Don't play.